Hey, what's up guys, it's Joel here, and today in this video, let's unbox and review the Philips TAT1215 Truly wireless Bluetooth earphones, and let me help you make a purchase decision. Philips, as we know, is amongst the oldest brand with a wide range of audio products, and amongst them is the Philips TAT1215. So are these any better? Let's find out. Now as for the unboxing, in the box we get some documentations, a micro USB charging cable, extra ear tips, the charging case, and finally the earbuds. These are available for a price of around 1600 Indian rupees from Amazon and Flipkart India, and I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. Now just to give you a physical overview, on the top of the charging case we have the Philips branding. Then opening up the case we have the magnetic charging contact pins. On the front we get the battery charging indicator LED and a micro USB charging port at the back. On the earbuds we find the Philips branding, which is also a multifunctional button, the charging LED, microphone, and on the back we have the charging contacts. As for the build quality, the case is made up of plastic which looks good enough, and it comes in a matte black color which doesn't look cheap at all. There is no movement of the earbuds inside the charging case at all, as the magnet is strong enough to hold the earbuds in its place. The earbuds on the other hand are also made up of good quality plastic, and they look quite premium. So overall I was satisfied with the build quality. Connecting the earphones to your phone was very quick and easy. Simply turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone and then take out both the earbuds from the charging case. So then open the Bluetooth search interface on your phone and locate the Philips TAT1215 and then click connect to pair your earbuds with your smartphone. As for the controls, the button is big enough and is easily accessible. The button feels quite tactile and it doesn't hurt the ear anyway when pressed. The single tapping on either earbud will play or pause the music and to answer or end call. Long pressing on the right earbud for 2 seconds will skip to the next track, and long pressing on the left earbud for 2 seconds will return to the previous track. And finally, double pressing on either of the earbuds will activate the voice assistant. It's also worth noting that these are IPX4 splash proof, so you can use them next to the pool or even while working out. The Philips TAT1215 comes with Bluetooth 5.1 technology, and it has a range of approximately 10 meters. The connection was very stable for most part, but after approximately 10 meters of walking away from the phone, I felt a bit stuttering in the music. As for the music playtime, I managed to get approximately 5 to 6 hours of music playback on the earbuds alone, which is great, and an additional 10 to 11 hours with a charging case, which can be great for those who want to consume audio for a long time. The call quality on the other hand was good as well, and I rarely got a complaint from the receiver's end. As for the charging time, I managed to charge the earphones with the charging case from 0 to 100% in approximately 2 hours. Coming to the comfort, there are a couple of tips included in these earphones, so I imagine one of them should fit you nicely. I use the default tips and I have had no problems, but those with smaller ears could have a problem as the earbuds are a bit bulky. The earbuds are angled slightly forward so that the sound fits right into your skull, and they stay in my ears to most part when you're sitting or casual walking. But during jogging or running, I have noticed that they tend to loosen up from the ear and may tend to fall off. I haven't had any discomfort though from the earbuds, and the silicone tips are soft and non-irritating. As for the latency, the Philips TAT1215 do not have any super low latency mode, but I did not notice any delay or lip syncing issues at all while watching movies or videos. But when I played the game of Call of Duty, I noticed there was very minor lag. So if you're a hardcore gamer, then I wouldn't recommend these, but for casual gaming it should be fine. other than that, I was really satisfied and happy with these earbuds. Now coming to the sound quality, the Philips TAT1215 sound really good in my opinion and are quite loud as well. Obviously you cannot expect premium audio quality, but it does the job. The 6mm drivers pump out good bass and with good enough punch to it. However, if you're looking for the most punchy bass out there, then these are not for you. The highs and the mids on the other hand were good to my liking. I could easily distinguish between them while listening to different types of music, and the instrument separation was good as well. The vocals were good and clear, and even at higher volume, they sounded well. You can also use one earbud at a time if you don't want to use both the earbuds, and it works well with calls and music, although you won't get that stereo effect which you will get while using both the earbuds. So I would rate the Philips TAT1215 so 8 out of 10 purely on music basis and 8.5 out of 10 for the build quality. Finally, as for my verdict, the Philips TAT1215 is a good set of earbuds, especially considering the price, and it comes from a brand that we can trust. The sound quality is really good and you really pick up on everything your music recordings have to offer. The build quality is fine and great battery life could make it an ideal choice for many of us. The only place where I felt it could be better is with a slightly better sound signature and wish they were a little lightweight and smaller in size. So if you're a person who likes lots of bass in your music, then these are not for you. But if you're someone who prefers a balanced sound in your music, then you can have a look at this for sure. So guys, that was all about the Philips TAT1215 Truly wireless earbuds review. If you liked it, then a sub would be appreciated. Also kindly hit that bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.